Okay, so here's the follow-up. I've finished, and I just went ahead and got everything done. It's starting to get cold, and you know, even though we're not going to have any rain today, I wanted to get a coat of teak oil on the wood, and was able to do that just to show you how much dirt came off. That white patch there is not a glare. That's dirt, moldy wood from the surface. And when I swept everything out, you know, you can see how green these wheels are. I'm going to be doing a video on these wheels. These are multi-piece wheels when I get some tires for them. They're pretty dangerous to disassemble and reassemble, and we can see here along here how much dirt came off of there. That's a lot. Anyway, so I have going back by the weasel over here. I got a tent. I gotta set the camera down just for a second here. I put this tent up last year to cover up my December 1942 Ben-Hur trailer, generator trailer. It's a PE 197 generator, and the whole trailer assembly is a K63A. And all this wood was original to the trailer, and it was down in Southern California in Tehachapi, near the railroad Tehachapi loop, and it was in a storage container for the better part of 45 years. And my buddy's friend passed away, and his wife, the man that passed away, his wife didn't know what to do with all the stuff, and so I helped price all this World War II equipment out, and my friend made me buy this trailer. When I got it, it was horrible. It was white and it had like 4 colors of paint on it, and I took all the wood apart and not sandblasted, but sanded with the 4-inch vibro sander, sanded all the wood down. The finger joints here were coming apart, so I had to glue those back together. And you know, I mean, look at this patina where the rust from the bolt has discolored the wood. You know, it takes a long time to get this color, and it just doesn't happen in 15 days. You know, this is antique stuff. So, oh, you can see here on this, where I repaired this finger joint, it's a lighter color. That's from the glue. But I can see that it's turning black. So I need to get out here with some sandpaper and just scuff it real quick, and then put the teak oil on it, just in case I get stopped or, you know, get held up in the weather. And then I gotta do that for the top bows. And I have a correct made canvas from a company in England. Oh, looks like I'm gonna run out of time here. So anyway, thanks for watching, and have a great day. Later.